YouTube fam, what up? DevanOnDeck here once again, and today we're talking about four habits that are absolutely ruining your shoe game and how to fix them. Welcome back to Style on Deck, where we talk about men's fashion, personal style, and everything else in between. As I said, I'm giving you four things today that you could be doing that are absolutely murdering your kick game. But first, if you haven't subbed to this channel yet, I would greatly appreciate it. If it's your first time here, I'm all about smart casual style here on this channel. And that means we're mixing slacks with sneakers, t-shirts with overcoats, the high and the low seamlessly. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button. And if you already subbed to my channel, hit that bell icon and you get a notification every time I post a video. Now, if you're already a part of the Style on Deck family, and you've been watching these videos for a while here on my channel, then you know that I encourage y'all often to invest in timeless, classic pieces that are gonna last you for a long time, as opposed to spending your money on trendy stuff. And in fact, I just dropped a video not too long ago about 4 sneakers you've never heard of that are more of the dapper assortment, but they're very rare brands. So if you haven't seen it yet, I'm gonna have it slide out right here for you. Go ahead and tap it. I'm telling you, it'll blow your mind, and you can have some shoes that nobody else is really tripping off of because they're very niche brands. But either way, let's get to this list. Number 1, the first habit on this list that you need to avoid is washing your shoes with dish soap. I used to do it when I was a kid. A lot of my guys in the fashion community, they actually go to their sink and do this. And this is why you shouldn't do it. Because shoes in general, but especially leather sneakers specifically, they're treated with oils and lotions, and they're conditioned to be supple and soft and last you for a long time. If leather gets brittle or worn out, then it's going to crack and crease much more hard than if you took care of the leather. If you look at dish soap, it's actually made to cut grease, so it doesn't make any sense to wash your uppers with that. So the solution is not an expensive shoe cleaner. No. You get detergent, like clothing detergent. That is going to be a lot more gentle, not going to be super sudsy. It's not going to suck all the life out of the leather of your shoe. And in fact, if they're a canvas shoe, they actually clean that better because it's made for clothing and fabric. So there goes the solution for that one. Number 2 is stepping on the back of your heels. Now, we've all been there, rushing out of the house or trying to go somewhere and put your shoes on real quick and just end up kind of just putting your heel in and out of your shoe until it kind of comes on, especially sneakers. But if you want to extend the lifespan of your shoes and have them last and look good, you gotta stop doing that, because eventually they're gonna turn to crushbacks. And if you've never heard of crushbacks before, that's what they look like, okay? Now, I know what you're thinking, Devin, this is a really extreme example. Yeah, it is, but down the road, they will become that, because the more you step on the back of the shoe, the more they'll start wrinkling, they'll lose their form and shape because you didn't get yourself the solution, which is a shoehorn, my friend. Now, this is something that comes in various prices. It comes in metal, it comes in plastic. In fact, I'll find one for you and put it in the description right now. I'm sure I can find one under 20 bucks, probably like 10 bucks. A little plastic thing, but it makes the hugest difference, especially when it comes to my dressier sneakers. I'll lace them and kind of tuck the laces to have a clean look, and then the shoehorn lets me just slip my shoe in there and still keep a snug fit. So that's a good suggestion for you if you want to solve that problem and you don't want them crushbacks. Number 3 on this list is wearing dark denim and light colored shoes. You put on a pair of suede boots or brogues or lighter color sneakers, and then that denim touches it, your dark blue denim, and then now all of a sudden you got blue spots all around your shoe. So here's a solution. This is what you do to save yourself all the pain of the stains that are super duper hard to get out. And it's super easy to do. You literally take your denim, take some tape, there we go. What you do is you get inside the inner part of the pant. I'm doing it real quick here for the video, but you want to take your time, you want to get it in there. Boom, you see that? If you look closely there, you see I kind of lined it up nicely. I probably could have done a better job if I took my time, but do that all the way around and you will have a solution to the blue problem. Done with that. And last but not least on this list is to not wear the same shoes over and over again. You gotta keep a healthy rotation. By invest in a nice pair of shoes, I'm not saying get rid of all your other ones. I have a balance of shoes that some are Vans, maybe a little bit more cheap. Some are Christian Louboutin, they might be a little bit more expensive. Some are right in the middle. So you wanna make sure that you have a good balance of a rotation of shoes, so you're not just wearing the same ones over and over and over again. And if you have to wear them, if you like super duper love them and just wanna wear them every day, then just buy 2 pair. Simple as that. I had so many times where I really loved a shoe, wore it out, went to go try to buy another one, and it was totally gone. So don't go through that pain. You don't want that same heartbreak I had. Either don't wear them so much or buy 2 pair if you can. Now here's where y'all come in. Give me any suggestions that I should add to this list. I'm always trying to step up my game when it comes to sneaker care, shoe care, boot care. So any tricks or tips you have, please leave them in the comments for me right now. If you enjoyed this video, give your guy a thumbs up. And if you haven't subbed to my channel yet, I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.